Look. Look. What does the sign say? Look. Say something. Welcome home. Welcome home. Congratulations. Welcome to your new Ready? Set. Go. Go.
Yeah. Oh, it's the wrong house.
Cái cá lên rồi.
San ola wolta to ainga kamalilei palongo upu umon faya ro pasanga faya onga tau fai awol fa vai tele to anga fai lo talo ile tua yeso ao malipo whaatasi le tua ma oe tātou pese.
Alo I o whaiwai a manuia Aua e te loto vai pea o mai whainata Lua te whaatasi ma le atua I so o se ala e te uia No ua tali ia e whalongo mai Ila une upu o le a whai Ia e no fusauni Awa e te solo muli Ila o whai unga ua whai O le lalo langi nei E tumu I mea masi E te le wha o so songa E vai ai o langona Ia e loto tele Aua e te fefe Aluma le fia Lo uatali e manuia Alo I o vai a manuia Aua e te loto vai pea o mai whaingata Lua te whaatasi ma le atua I so se ala e te uia Lo ua whawhine se e whaalongo mai I le maupu o le a whai Me e manatu mama I loi matau lo tina A o e folau I le vasa loa loa E whaingata O e malua I le ainga nei Lo ua whawhine se alofa whai le lei Ta ai e se lau whala Tu e se le alunga Whaamalo si mai se ia o I le taununga Alo I o whaiwai a manuia Aua e te loto vai pea o mai whaingata Lua te whaatasi ma le atua I so se ala e te uia
O mamanga louso alo ye yo faiva e urulu maka folau lo fa moe awa le kaua ye kolo loko ye manga kuolo ku ile muri papanga ama kua ngai ainga ai mai se la fanga ngofka kalo kapua I fa lo le ala awa lo savalinga nge ku ye lo vai se maa lo se falongo le lei ile au ngangi a mama papa fau kuanga e fai mo e ku ai mangule fainga malanga falongo le lei mai manga kua alu mamu ngai kama kua au ke fefe loko kele o ele lupe le afalele ki ke ele fili ki ke ele pia kamo e sapo le mangu ia ko anga le loku ko anga kakalo au ngi ngalo la kuspa ia oi se sole se au ki kangi ke pa kaula ile ku le langi fa amaro si o ele koa kaule kaua mo samoa ia o ke nga fa kuanga ke o loko malo nganga ai sa ka fa ko fa ia ku ia pa yo ka
Alo I o whaiwai a manuia Aua e te loto vai
don't wanna do anything, 'cause I can rid myself of all the pressure.
And every day life seems to get the best of me. I just gotta keep going forward.
I get scared and I try to find my own way, and I find myself running back to you.
Running, and even though I can't see you, I feel you near, and I can hear you whisper softly in my ear. Have no fear, for I am with you. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Have no fear, I have redeemed you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand. Have no fear. Many nights I was left all alone, figuring, wondering why I could feel so alone, even though I believe that you love me. Ooh, I get scared when I try to find my own way. I find myself running back to you. And even though I can't see you, I feel you near, and I can hear you whisper softly in my ear. Have no fear, for I am with you. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Have no fear, I have redeemed you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand. Oh, have no fear. Even though the road may seem so long, trust me, you'll find your peace of mind. And it'll take some time. Take some time. You just gotta be strong. Be strong. For He's there with you. For I am with you. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Have no fear, I have redeemed you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand. Have no fear, for I am with you. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Have no fear, I have redeemed you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand.
Stuck on you, got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needing a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. Stuck on you, been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. 'cause this time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needing a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad you stayed.
Flowers, I lay next to you. Oh, it's a sign that we miss you, but we know God needed you more. Your smile, oh, your smile I'm missing. Your smile, and God needed you more. Rest in love, love, love. Ooh, rest in love, love. Rest in love, love. I sit right here thinking over the memories we shared. I share it till wondering why you ain't here. My heart cries for you, my God cries for you more. All them days when I've been feeling lonely, you were there. Times when I was down, you will always pick me up. You will always be in my prayers. I will never forget the love that you showed me. Rest in love, love, love. Ooh, rest in love, love. Rest in love, love. Rest in love, love, love. Ooh, rest in love, love. Rest in love, love.
Manaya, manaya, lelangi, hele
lelangi hele toyai oni fa to fa alongo ile ai manaya ole tu anaya faya mapulea fai mai ona vai ma nanaya ona la savalia yepe oni auro manaya manaya lelangi hele toe fa ano ape tinga manaya manaya lelangi hele toe oni fa to fa. How sweet is the heaven. Leave all of your gifts behind. How sweet is the heaven. There'll be no more tears to cry. There'll be no more tears to cry. Eletoyai oni fa to fa.
San ola uol tatu ainga kamalilei palongo upu umon fayat ro pasanga faya onga tau fai awol fa vai tele to anga fai lau talo ile tua yeso au malipo le fatasi le tua maoe tato pese
Aloio fai vai a manuia Aua e te loto vai pea o mai fai ngata Lua te whaatasi ma le atua I so o se ala e te uia No ua tali ia e whalongo mai Ila une upu ole a fai Ia e no fusauni Awa e te solo muli Ila o fai unga ua fai Ole lalo langi nei E tumu I mea masi E tele wha o so songa E vai ai o langona Ia e loto tele Awa e te fefe Aluma le fia No uatali e manuia Aloi o vai a manuia Awa e te loto vai pea o mai whaingata Lua te whatasi tu mama I loi matau lo tina A o e folau I le vasa loa loa E whainga tā O oe e malua I le ainga nei Lo ua whawhine se alofa whai le lei Ta ai e se lau whala Tu e se le alunga Whaamalo si mai se ia o I le taununga Alo I o whaiva I a manu ia Aua e te loto mai vai pea o mai whainga tā Lua te whatasi ma le atua I so se ala e te uia
O mamanga louso alo ye yo faiva e urulu maka folau lo fa moe moe awa le kaua ye kolo loko ye manga kuolo ku ile muri papanga ama kua ngai ainga ai mai se la fanga ngofka kalo kapua I fa lo le ala awa lo savalinga nge ku ye lo vai se maa lo se falongo le lei ile au ngangi a mama papa fau kuanga e fai mo e ku ai mangule fainga malanga falongo le lei mai manga kua alu maamo ngai kama kua au ke fefe loko kele o ele lupe le afalele ki ke ele fili ki ke ele pia kamo e sapo le manguia ko anga le loku ko anga kakalo au nge ngalo lo kuspa ia oi se sole te au ki kangi ke pa kaulai le ku le langi fa amaro si o ele koa kaule kaua mo samoa ia o ke nga fau kuanga ke o loko malo nganga ai sa le ka fa ko fa ia ku ia o pa yo kawa
Lord. O te imo be ya Yesu leli o ia o te ma lo siai It is well with my soul, my soul.
Yeah. Maya.
Yo blago foi a hawo fa pa. Amuia fa no noa. O wa fa ma fa nei tai da to. O nei le so tu mo ne ola.
Never thought I'd see the day.
O le fa tu mai a tau.
Want you to be there.
E o I lava na oti ai ola lava ia. Tangata o lau mau e whātua tua mai a te au. E opti lava e o I le whāpapa. Haua lea tua tu vale o tau loto. E o tau whātua tua I lea tua. Ia whātua tua mai fwoi a te au. Tele mea ni nofo ai le mautolo ta maa. E lea mawhai e le oti po le ola. Po angelu po ali, po e malolosi, po mea I nei ana po mea tali, po le mawalunga, po le roto, po se tasi mea na whai. E le mawhaia e ia mea na whātai se na mai tātou, ni lea lofo le atua, roi a Kiriso Yesu. Awai na iso tātou e ola mo I lava. Le oti foi se tasi mo I lava. Awa a whai tātou te ola. Tātou te ola mo le. Te a whai tātou te oti. Te oti mo le li. O le nei pe ola le oti tātou, tangata lava o le ki tātou. Awa na mena lea na maliwa i Keriso. Maua toi tūmai ai, maua soifu ai. Ina ia whaia o ia mali i e oti tātou mai ola. Ia whawhitaia le atua le tamāno tātou alia Iesu Keriso. O lea na whanako wina i tātou o na olona ala whutele. Ina ia iru i le whamoe moe uona, le toitu mai o Keriso Iesu na i e woti. Ia iru i le tofia le whala e le aisi le anga o iai. O nganga o e ami o tonu o i le ao le atua le ao. E le toi o koia i lātou se mea tīngā. Awa o pei lātou o e woti le manatu o tamata valea. Mano lātou whamāpai, pei o so lātou mālaia. A toa mano lātou malanga e se atu, pei o so lātou whamutia. Ai peta, ua iai lātou i le manuia. Lau sumai toina, o leo tau mai sa sumai a o ia tau ia se kuroni whalpau. Morona toi sami.
Aftai. Ia o le amanole mo tātou vale alofa. E ie ma pale ma teu. Ole am talian tanto tapo ingai momono o fofolo fatu ele sua pelo e su che riso le di tu e la sunga e fritua col sa mas foi o ala mo fa now patal fatu le pa io le ai ngali ai ngalua vane le suai le pa ia le fenga luenga tofia le tua fa fenga fa fiao fa tua patal foi fa fun mai le tanto nai tanto matua ta po mau mai mai se o ainga ma nai fa nau tangi mai ala patal fatu le ulenga e mesfol tanga luenga au whainga luenga mwhai ona tātou awai whatasi ni tāpua inga to sauningo le sunga le lia wao ngai atongia tanu wasa māneia whare pau fōa o lea tātou tāpua i atu i lea tua awa ua whaolaina i tātou le wha moe moe o rito e tū mai o Iesu Keriso i tātou to talo le atua wha mawau e lo mātou tamā o le langi o le walo wha mai ate i mātou i le alofa wha mawau ma le ua mawhai o na liliuina le ato le oti e whai matai ao le oli oli. Ia episoso ni mai ate i mātou. Ia mātou whataritani atu i ate oe le mi ngao ma le ngā wai. Ina ia vea ai lo mātou whalongolongo i upo le ola whawamau. Ma ala e mau ai le onu sai ma le whamawhana whananga. I rou anganga pa ia e maise o awa fionga. O le antupu ai le wha moe moe. Ma si itia e ai i mātou na i lo mātou pongi sā ma le puapua ngā. I le mala malama ma le whire mū. O lou awai whatasi mai. O la mātou tatalo lea. E ala lawa ia Iesu Keriso lo mātou ali i ma lo mātou whaola. Amen. Oleh atato lala mai lan oleh atato pese se lau balu sepuluh malefitu se lau basu malefitu oleh fati foi de masa no suai se lau fas sepuluh maletolu pa malu lua lava se lau balu sepuluh malefitu pese tato pese ai le tua.
Amen.
Wino just pa ia. Tus fifilia mai whanengo tuai.
O le tusi ar whaila aunga am tāpus fuma le lua. O te whaitau wina mai whaipu mua mua. Sei whaangata mai whaipu e fitu. Whaila aunga, tāpus fuma le lua. O te whaitau wina mai whaipu mua mua. Sei whaangata mai whaipu e fitu. Whawhonga maia, ia whianga paia lo tātou tua. O le nei, ia e mana tua le na whaia oi o na pōra o tau le lea. O le au mai aso le anga. O le au mai foi tau sanga e te whapea ai. E le ai sau fia fia i ai. O le i whakoru ngia le la, ma le mara malama, ma le maasina, ma whetu, ma ua le foi mai au pe a ma vai le ua. O le aso e tete ai o e leo leo le fale, ma whanau no waita ngata ma lolosi, ma le to e ngā lulua e uolu. Ma wao to e titi, ma whaporo ngia e o wa ai le whamarama. Ma puni tia ai whai to toa le ala, e no i titi le leo o le olo. E tū lai ai foi o ia e no watau sani o mani. E vai ai foi teine whai pēsenga umu. E whewhewhe ai foi la tau i me maua lunga. Ma maa tatau ai le alo. E a funga maile se kati. Ma whaile se ma mea ma mafa. Ma ole ai lava se toi manao. A wā alu tangata lo na whale whāwawau. E whio ai foi e tau whai tangi tui le ala. A ole i whamaluina le mai a Rio. Po taile ipu auru. Po nuti le kati le vai puna. Po ngau sia le mea ta avili le vai eli. Ma toi foi atu le efu le ele peona iai ia. Ma toi foi atu le anganga i le atua o le na foi na mai ai. Tus whiwhiria me whenenga fōu. Ma le vangelia Ioane, tau pusfu ma le tasi. O te whaitau wina le whaipu e luasfu ma le lima. Ioane, tau puesun maltasi, fai tau wina, fai upos gosun malilima. O whetalai atu Iesu ia te ia, o au nei o le toi tū ma le ola. O le whātua tō mai a te au, e ui lawe na oti, a e ola lava ia. Ia whamanuia mele atu e whai tau wina, me tātou whalongorongo ia nāwhia mo pa ia. E tū maut pēa te iervi inga nei, se i o le whawavau lava. Amen.
O le isi vaenga o soa i o tātou pulkalame, o tātou mori mau. Ai whamalulu atu lawa i whafonga mai, me se o le ia whainga luenga o no iaina e ki le ila iti ia o lo o maua i tātou whasalunga. Ia o angai o le whamai. Ia a me se foi o tūlanga wha te konolosi. Ia o le mafuanga lea, lava me pele on sai. Ia malau tō tāpua i mai. O tātou mori mau, ia mori silafia, le wo mono utala noa ia sā. O aso ane, ia o le sauninga e fito i tonu lava i pūrenga. Ia, pona wale mori mau e masa neina o le mori mau a sā. Ia male mori mau a umaloa. Ia a le ua tāsanga mai lo tō tinare whanau e ia o tō fsosoni mai. Ia i tite uti le tātou teimi. Ia a mawasi minu te tasi, ma se kone rua le tangato mani e tere. O le wha umia. Ia a loa e lesi o la umana mori mau, ma lesi mele le i atongia, i tu o la umana mori mau, wha pupu ai mori mau. Ia o tatu o leo tu atu lema noa. Ia mai whaini mori mau i roto utama. Ia po tatu usofoi. Ia po tama sunga lea wao. Ia ai o le awa i whasoronga i monto mai sa mata. Ia o la tatu whangasolo e te minei.
Hello everyone. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you to God for bringing us all here today to celebrate Sepulongi's wonderful life. If you don't know who I am, my name is Isaac Salongi Samuel Fadapao, the son of Larosa Fadapao, the first grandchild of Sepulongi, and Talisa Fadapao. As most of y'all knew him as Sepulongi or Kungia, I knew him as Dad. I was blessed and honored to have Dad not only as a grandfather, but also as a father figure. Me and Dad's relationship was a special and unique one. Growing up without a father, I never felt I had that part of my life missing, because Dad was always there for me, no matter what it was. Dad told me a lot of things throughout my life. Maybe not someone, but that's my mom's fault. Dad told me a lot of things only a father could teach their son. From teaching me how to cut the grass to teaching me how to be a man. Being his first grandchild, I got told that he went soft on me, or that was his turning point. I didn't realize that while growing up, because I would always still get hidings, especially during white season. Looking back now, I could tell it was his turning point, because he would give the twins and Eli way more hidings than me. But I'm honored to know that I had an impact on his life, because he definitely had one on me. I remember the first time coming home to Australia after 6 years of living in America, seeing how big his belly was and how short he was. But I remember the feeling of being in his arms again. I cried, not because I was sad or anything like that. I was just so happy to finally see him again. It was one of the best feelings ever. I wish I could have had another moment like that with you again, Dad. But I know the next time I see you, it will be twice as much worth it, or twice as much better, and way more worth the wait. On September 11th, it was the day our God called Dad home. It was a sad day for all my family members, especially me. But it didn't hit me that he was really gone until 3 days later, on my 18th birthday. It wasn't my first time celebrating my birthday without Dad, but it was definitely the one that hurt the most. While I sat there with my birthday cake and everyone singing happy birthday, he heard me not hearing your voice, Dad. He hurt even more. it hurts even more knowing that you won't be at my graduation and many of my next milestones. But I know you will always be with me in spirit. Thank you, Dad, for all the sacrifices you made for me, my mom, and especially the family. Thank you for raising me to be the man I am today. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for being that funny guy you were. Thank you for never giving up on me. And thank you for always being, thank you for being the only person I could ever call Dad. I will forever miss you and love you, Dad. I will see you again, Dad. I'll see you soon, Dad. But for now, it's Fauso.
Talo flava, malo lei. E mua ona whawhatai le atua, ona nea wanoa. E whai au sau mone mau pupu, i le mawhatanga mana no utama. Wha mole, wha mangano mai au, i le lei sau wha Samoa. Firstly, I would like to give thanks for our Heavenly Father for blessing me with this opportunity. I could also give a short speech. Sorry. I'd also like to thank everyone for showing their endless love and support towards me and my family during these difficult times. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Gaio Elijah Falapau, the youngest and brightest child of Tongia Tanawasa Manea Sipalongi Falapau. The greatest gift my father ever gave me was his love and time, because he believed in me. In 2009, I had an accident where I broke both my ankles, and there was a possibility I wouldn't be able to walk again. But every single day, every single step of the way, my dad was there to motivate me, and I made a full recovery. The last few years of school, my dad would always push me to focus on what I wanted in life. He'd even tell me what I'm good at, and sometimes what I'm gaya at. Most of you knew my dad as being humble and a down-to-earth man. He did not seek much public attention. Growing up, I watched many people gravitate to my dad and praised him for his outstanding character. His loyalty to family was something I had always witnessed. He would often neglect his own well-being to ensure his loved ones were taken care of. Being the youngest kid in the family and losing my dad at only 18 means I am going to miss out on having the same experience as the rest of my siblings had when Dad was still alive. He was going to teach me how to drive manual. He should be here when I turned 21. I wanted to show him how I was going to make a life for myself. But I was grateful enough to see how proud he was for me graduating high school last year. I know Dad was proud of all his kids finishing school and doing well in life. The last conversation I had with my dad, we were both sick with COVID-19. He called me from the hospital, and it was a different conversation. His tone wasn't so deep, and he didn't sound like himself. I didn't pay much attention to it, but looking back at it now, it was as if he knew his time was up. Dad, thank you for the many sacrifices you made. Thank you for being the man you were. Thank you for your love and support for not only me, but everyone in the family. Thank you for the many life lessons you taught. Thank you for everything you've done for me, Dad. I'm very honored and beyond blessed to have you as a father, for teaching me and showing me how to be a man and what is important in life. This isn't a goodbye. It is I'll see you soon, Dad. Mangaelo malanga. I love you, Dad. I love Atu. Of Atu.
Talafo to Uma. First and foremost, I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you to everyone for tuning in today, and give thanks to our Heavenly Father for another wonderful day. My name is Mareko Mark Falapau. I'm the younger twin and second youngest child of Tongia, Tanavasa Manea, Sepoloni, Falapau, Afoa, and Leituala Sa, Falapau. The relationship my dad and I shared wasn't the traditional stereotype one you see in the movies. A very old school formal type bond we shared, but I always joked around with him and made light of any situation. Didn't take anything too seriously, especially when he asked me for money or vice versa. He would tell me the traits I had inherited by him and which one Matthew had inherited from my mum, such as fainting when it comes to blood. Nonetheless, I was always scared of my dad more than my mum, but we became mates. Growing up, I was always told about the myths and legends of my dad and how he would hand out hidings to anyone. I was also told that I had never received a proper hiding, or that I had it way easier growing up compared to my older siblings. I didn't get to experience the Once We Were Warrior days, so I never took too much notice of this or believed it. That was because I was still getting hidings with the bamboo sticks, the metal extension pole of the vacuum, eventually graduating to his fist, and the list goes on. It wasn't until I was older when I got to witness or get a glance of the myths and legends of my old man. The last time I was in Samoa, my dad took my twin and I down to the beach and showed us where he grew up. He showed us where he and his mother had their plantation, where he, as a kid, beat up an old man because he stole the coconuts from the man's tree. He also showed us where he tried Malawanga for the first time. He grinned out and never touched it after that. As we finished up on the beach and started to make our way home, we ran through the village by Lily. We stopped at the house he grew up in and visited family. As we got to the main road, he had pointed to over a dozen houses, waving and saying hello, but then turned around and tell us the story of who he had given a hiding at those households. As we were about to turn down the driveway of where we were staying, my dad burst out in laughter and started to wave and say hello across the road to another house. I asked him what was so funny, and he replied, "That's the old man's house that he beat up when he was a kid." A few things we learned that day. We had completely different childhoods, and my dad was either a gangster or crazy. We may not have been well off, or still aren't, but I am amazed and incredibly grateful for what you were able to do and accomplish, Dad. The life you and Mum have given us and the lessons you've taught are priceless. I am deeply devastated that I won't be able to repay you back for everything you have given or done for me, and that you won't be able to attend certain milestones. You're always well prepared, calculated, God-fearing, competitive, strong, smart, wise, ruthless, brave, funny, loud, short, curly-haired black man. So basically a Fijian. You're also incredibly loyal and loved your family. A child at heart, and never acted your age unless you needed to. You were selfless, had a strong work ethic, always evolving, generous beyond your financial limits, dependable and a humble, loved man. You had any means necessary attitude and always made the most of what you had. I always admired the relationship and dedication you had with your religion. Always making time and reminding us to show our appreciation for our Lord and never forget to say thank you for everything and pray. My dad was and is the man. Thank you for everything. You will celebrate your legacy and continue to add to it. You will never be forgotten for what you were able to do in your lifetime has now set the foundation for many generations to come for our family. The righteous perish and no one ponders it in his heart. Devout men are taken away and no one understands that the righteous are taken away to be spared from evil. Those who walk uprightly enter into peace. They find rest as they lie in death. Isaiah 57 verse 1 and 2. I've always wanted to tell you that lo tui peisa kene. I miss you, Dad, and love you. Se tatou whelawai, Dad, Emmanuel Malanga. Talofa lava. My name is Matayu Falapau, the third youngest of the Falapau children, but the eldest twin. Forgive me for my fa Samoa is not too good, and I didn't want to embarrass myself. Yeah, that was the last thing I wanted to do, was embarrass myself. My Moli Mo isn't anything too long, but first and foremost, just want to thank our Heavenly Father, Whaiwhi Aos, our families, our friends, for allowing this day and for coming here together to share and celebrate Dad's life. Dad was a simple man. If he was to do something, he'll put his all into it to make it as special, as perfect as he can make it. But at the same time, he didn't take anything too serious. Always quick to crack a joke or over-exaggerate his stories, Dad became a man I can truly admire and be proud to call my dad. We may not have had the best relationship growing up, but he always stood firm and always had my best interest at heart. I'll cherish those drives with you going to different aulokos when you do your laungas, those DIY projects that you get one of us or mum to help you with, to just giving all my coins so you can go do your lotto. Dad always had a way of getting us to give in to his requests, and whenever we'd give in, he would always have a big smile and grin. Grateful, hardworking, humble, little old man. I'm always going to remember you. Dad, I pray that those you love and care for find peace and healing, that with every day that we are blessed to see, it's another day to honor your memory. It's another day to continue your legacy. But most and foremost, it's another day closer to seeing you, Dad. Dad, Manuela Malanga, I love you.
Talofa everyone. My name is Mako Whalepau. I'm the fifth eldest child of Tongia Tanavasa Ma'anai Se Polongi Whalepau, ma le whaletua lei tuale sa Whalepau. Today we lay to rest a man who was an icon to many. A man of God, a family man, a comedian, a cousin, an uncle, a brother, a husband. But to my siblings and I, it was just Dad. At only 63 years young, he was called home by our God, our Saviour and our Maker. Although he was taken so soon, he leaves behind a legacy that we all will remember him by. Dad played a huge role in his family events. Whether it was a wedding, funeral, birthday, he would make the effort to attend. But he doesn't just attend to show up. He would put the extra effort in to ensure everything runs smooth and done right. This is just a small insight of the type of person Dad was. I remember growing up in New Zealand, there was a period where Dad worked 2 jobs to support us. At this time, there was just 5 of us kids and Mum. As a kid, I never knew how hard Mum and Dad worked until I reached an age where I am having to work to support my own family. I remember me and Aki would wait for Dad to come home. He would tell us stories. In my eyes, all that mattered to us at that time was waiting for Dad to come home. But what I didn't know, Dad had so many responsibilities and obligations to our family and church. Dad was really good at making those problems seem so small. Another memory that will always stick with me was when I was a kid and Dad wanted me to grow my hair. I never understood why, because my 3 sisters already had long hair. But as a kid, I grew up being teased and picked on for having long, thick black hair. From this experience, and looking back on it now, I realized being teased and bullied taught me a valuable life lesson. Dad taught me how to be resilient and overcome adversity on my own. So thank you, Dad. Now that I'm 32 years old, with a wife and 2 kids of my own. I am beginning to understand my dad and his journey in life. He sacrificed a lot and was determined to make sure his family were looked after. That was his purpose. That's what made him happy. I too have applied those same values in my own life. I've worked hard to establish my life and family in Brisbane, Australia. In 2018, I became a qualified electrician. This year, I am building a family home, which was exciting news to tell my parents. What Dad saw in my achievements, he knew I was going to be okay. My plan was to fly my parents to Brisbane when the lockdown in New South Wales was finished. But God had other plans for my dad. I'm sad he won't be here when my family house is complete. We would have been in Mika Valley and bragged to family and friends of the new home. I am sad Dad won't be here to witness the milestones my kids will go through growing up. He was a loving and caring grandfather to my kids, Aliona and Hudson, and also a funny and caring father-in-law to my Filipino wife, Tenny. Now he is gone. Dad, you'll be sorely missed and never forgotten. Thank you, Dad, for all your love and life lessons. Your memory will live on through us. We love you, Dad. I mga mga whaftai.
Hello everyone. Hello Dad. My name's Aubrey Falipao, but I'm known by family and friends by Aki, Aipopo or Queen Bee. I'm the 4th eldest and the youngest girl of my parents' Brady bunch. My fat Samoa is not amazing, but it's only because we're a fruit salad. So it's only fair and fitting my fat Samoa is not perfect and that I'm plastic. So my moli mau is going to be in English. Whaawitai lava. I want to take this time to remember and honour the special memories I had with my dad. My father was an incredible man. He was one of a kind. My king, the most hardworking person I know. He was the best dad ever. My dad's most notable features were his height and skin colour. He loved bright colours, hence why his favourite colour is blue. His height never stopped him from throwing hands and telling it like it is, something I inherited. See, our dad wasn't just okay with being a wonderful father and grandfather, but he also wanted to give back to the world and help others in need, all because he had a big heart and he was always willing to help others. My relationship with my dad was awesome, but the relationship he had with my kids was special. An unbreakable bond that will now be sorely missed. He would do absolutely anything and everything for my kids, especially my daughter, Layla, his best friend. My kids are big boned because my dad would feed them 10 times a day. Now that my kid's personal chef is no longer with us, my kids are finally gonna slim down. You always encouraged my kids to be the best and to be comfortable in their skin. Hence why they have so much confidence and aren't afraid to show it. I'm going to miss your laugh that would vibrate the entire house and that was so contagious. Your smile would light up any room you walked into. But when you would get up to no good, your cheeky grin and you rubbing your hands together was your biggest giveaway. Your laugh is now music to my ears. Our home is now quiet without you, using your outside voice that our neighbours had the honour of hearing every day. Our neighbours are going to miss you randomly standing on our driveway, being the neighbourhood watch. All your good deeds had a funny story to go with them because you're the biggest prankster and clown we know. Being the youngest girl meant I got away with anything and everything, and I took full advantage of that. I pretty much run the show in our family, and that's thanks to you, Dad. You always had my back, always encouraged me to speak my mind and to be strong and to never bottle anything up. I may look like my mom, but I have all my dad's traits. From smelling good and looking good when leaving the house, to the love of helping others. Road rage, mocking people, always laughing and never being serious in serious situations, being a gangster when I need to be, but most of all, being amazing when I get litty. Thank you, Dad, for all the wonderful memories and for all the life lessons you've installed inside me. I would cherish them forever. I am who I am today because of you, Dad. As much as you mocked me and told everyone that I was Gaia, I know deep down you were super proud of me because only you saw things inside me and saw things that I never saw in myself. To your final days, you kept pushing me to do something for me. Guess what, Dad? I'm finally working towards that dream we spoke about. It kills me that you won't be here to see or enjoy the fruits of our dream. My biggest regret is that you won't be here to walk me down the aisle on my wedding day. I miss you so much, it breaks my heart. Life would no longer be the same without you, Dad. But this is not goodbye. This is see you later. Until we meet again, silly old man. Languia lo malanga. I love you, Dad.
Talofa everyone, my name is Aumau Seuta'atia Falepau. I'm the third eldest child of Tongia Tanvasa Manaya Sepuloni Falepau Afoa and Lei Tualesa Falepau. I was born in Auckland, New Zealand, April 12, 1983, and throughout my life, Dad and I had our ups and downs, but he was always there for me. Dad loved each and every one of his kids in his own way. He raised us to be strong, independent, and resilient people. I'm the type of person who tends to follow the beat of my own drum. I am a quiet achiever, just like my dad. He sometimes never understood why I did the things I did, but would support me regardless, because Dad knew that I like challenges and that I have a different way of looking at life. I learned from my dad how to be resourceful, selfless, and determined. I went to university in 2001 and studied a Bachelor of Arts in Social Ecology. Last year, I completed a Bachelor of Paramedicine, and now I work for New South Wales Ambulance. This year, I'm studying to become a radiographer. So just like my dad, I never limit myself. I always look at working hard and doing things that I enjoy. An example was when I joined the Royal Australian Navy in 2006. It wasn't the career path that Dad had expected for me, nor did he want me to pursue. But it wasn't even common for a Samoan girl to leave home to join the military. But Dad supported my decision, and I remember that day. He was scared for me. It was hard to see me leave home. But soon he became happy and excited to tell everyone that I was in the Royal Australian Navy, even though he didn't know what I did. Another example was last year, we bought the family house. That's something that Mum and Dad had always wanted, and I'm happy that we were able to achieve that. I remember when Dad saw the house and the look of joy in his eye. That's something that I always cherish. The time that Dad had spent in the house, it became our home, our family home, because he was always busy doing something in and around the house, laughing, singing, and even now, being at home. We are reminded of Dad, and we can see how much he loved us. When I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2018, Mum and Dad came to the hospital. I remember the look of fear in his eyes, and he had a feeling of being helpless, seeing me struggle with an illness, and he couldn't help me. That day I felt guilty putting Mum and Dad through that. But he supported my decision for the treatment because Dad trusted me. It was a challenge that he knew that I would overcome. Little did I know, only a few years later, on August 22nd, 2021, the very last conversation I had with my dad would be the ultimate challenge that I ever faced. Mum and Dad were hospitalized for COVID-19, but it was soon revealed that Dad had a perforated bowel which required immediate surgery. This is a life-threatening condition caused by diverticulitis. It's usually caused when weakened places of the colon wall due to pressure build-up within the large intestine. And this is a common condition. It can happen to anyone. Diverticulitis occurs when the walls of the colon and the large intestines have little tears and they become infected. And over time, if it's untreated, it can lead to a perforated bowel, which is what happened to my dad, leading to sepsis, and what he had was a fungal infection in his blood. And there are several risk factors developing diverticulitis, including age, obesity, smoking, lack of exercise, and poor diet, and most of these are preventable. Unfortunately, my dad met all these risk factors, and on top of that, he had COVID-19, which is a virus that weakens the immune system. I understood that his chance of survival was slim, but I didn't want to accept it. My last conversation with Dad was to help him understand the risk and benefits of the surgery. I told him that he may never wake up. I could hear the fear in his voice, and it was hard for me to be the person that he trusted as a voice of reason, to validate a decision that he had already made. On this day, I remember feeling scared. I remember feeling helpless. Talking to my dad as if he was one of my own patients, I never thought that I would ever face that on my own. So after that day, my dad never woke up from the surgery. I wish I was there with him at the hospital, and I wish COVID-19 and the lockdown restrictions didn't make it harder. But my dad would never put me in a situation where he knew that I was not strong enough to handle. And this was his last challenge for me to overcome. So Dad, I hope I made you proud. Dad, I will continue to help others throughout my line of work, as you have helped many of our family members, our friends, and random strangers. I thank you for the values instilled in me by your actions and the lessons. I thank you for giving me advice and pushing me to pursue my goals in life. Thank you for the smile that we both share, the crazy sense of humor, and the passion to make a difference that we both share. You will always be remembered. My siblings and I, including your grandkids, we all express similar traits of my dad. And together we are Tongia, Tanuvasa, Mānaia, Whalepau, Sepoloni, Afoa. So Dad, you are not truly gone, you are a part of all of us. I love you, Dad. I miss you. I manuela malanga.
E ua whaia le pautu malosi, le au auna le ie, ulu whale maia I le fia o lo oli. O te whaatalo whaatu I lo susunga o le tae lo saonginga, I lo susunga o le toa ina kōlia, fiu kōlia. Whaatalo whaatu foi I susunga o whaafia ngenga o tau whale tua, o le mawhai o na maua mai le nei saonginga. O te whaatalo whaatu, foi I le paia ma le mamalu oe ua mai moa. O lau ingoa, o ti menga lo rosa a ai fau whale pau. O le lona lua, o le whanau a le sunga I le aoa o Fisosoani, Tongia Tanuvasa Mānaia Sepoloni. Ma le whale tua, le tua le sa whale pau. E tasi si tama, o isa ako e se fulu valu ona tausanga. Ina ua maliu lona tina I aparila tasi iwa valu lua. O na ia whaingawaina lea o wau I le ngoa o lona tina o ai fau. Ai whatoa 5 o Masina. Ai mātou te le I malanga mai Samoa I New Zealand. O le mafutanga masi o tama. O sa mafutanga e mawhanawhana. E le te tai o na ngalasi o tama. E esa le nei tangata. I le lofa whaawalea I ana whanau. Ma whanau I ana whanau. O sa tama e te le lana whatua lofa. E le ngati e mātou lana whanau. Moana ainga. Ma uau māsani. E le mawhai o na nofa ai le whesa soani. O se tama e ote. A wā le wha le ina o lana ainga. O se tama e sa wā. A wā le o ina o I mātou le whanau. Ma whautua ina mātou I upo e au o na mātou o lai. O se tama e mata ata. Ma whai me mālie. A wā le wha fia ina o I mātou. O se tama e ula vale. E tautala tasi. E le whewhe se tangata. O se tama e loto toa. A wā le songsonga e maua e sa manuia o lona ainga. O se tama e wha o maupopo ainga. Ma tausi ainga. O se tama e tausi matua. O wā lana tautua I le ainga I le tina matua o le ainga. O lo tina. Ma tangata matatua I lona ainga. O winga I o lo tama. O le a o wha o awina. Wha mai lava tau loto lo tama ia te au. O oe lava o te wha moe ai. E lea I lava se tana sesi o te tau. E lea I lava sesi o te tuatuai. E whaia mea o te mana o ai. Ia o ana upu lava ia wha pele ia. Pea mana o se tupe. Po se pase se fo I te e nunga le vaalele. Iu lava ina mamao le mea o te nofu ai Amerika. O lana tau loto lava lea ia tea. Tongia, lo tama. O te tali tonu e le whamelia atu. Se o tau tua ia te oe. Ia whaamangalo mai ia te au loa fine. Dark times will always be ahead of us. There will be a time when we must choose between what we say, what is easy, and what is right. My father was a lamb among the wolves. He was an honorable man when it comes to living by principle. This is who my father was. My relationship with my father was a testament to trial by error. I was his first pride and joy, the apple of his eyes, and the first daddy girl in the family. But I also was the one that my dad would test trial and how to raise a daughter. As my sisters were born, my dad's mistakes with me seemed to be lessened with them, and his finesse was becoming second nature. My place in that limelight was starting to be a little crowded. Eventually, all our spots were overshadowed by his granddaughter, the princess herself, Layla. My dad lived by the beat of his own drum. He didn't care so much for the law, nor the opinions of others. He lived by his own principles, and it showed in his character. I've always been told I'm like my father in so many ways. His traits, character, and features I found similar. But his giving heart is what I would testify I am him in that aspect by fault. I cannot comprehend how this man, to whom I not only as my first love, confident provider and protector, but also set the standard for whom I could see as a life partner. When I had my son Isaac, I couldn't see anyone else fit to embody the man I would like my son to look up to, and also teach him how to be a man. Whom else but the best dad I had? Dad, thank you for not only loving me, but raising my son to believe that he could be the best and all that he could dream of. I only pray that my son can grow into half the man you were. Thank you for always being in my corner and celebrating all my achievements and milestones, as well as allowing me to run to you and my downfalls so you could build me up and be stronger and wiser. Dad, your presence here on earth was bigger than you. For the many talents you mastered and willingness for greatness, you will be dearly missed. My heart is shattered because God called you home before I was ready to let you go. But I knew God's kingdom needed your serving heart to ensure that his warriors were ready for the fight ahead. To my hero and guardian angel, watch over us as we will continue to uphold your legacy and carrying your name. I promise to care for Mom as you did for her. I only pray I made you proud, Dad. I love you and I will miss you into eternity. 2 Timothy 4, verse 7. I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Go now, Dad, and rest. Your fight is now done. We will keep the faith that we will reunite in God's kingdom of heaven in heaven. When we alavalo malanga, Dad, ele ngalo o ila loto. Ia maua so no fuanga I mau I le langi.
Whātulo, I lo susunga le taitai le sauninga. Wa inga, wa umātua, wo mau mema mai, wa moni mau ina, le aso fia fia, o lo tama o tongia, tanu vasa, ma naia Sepoloni, Falepau, a foa. O wau, o sa mata. O le ulu matua, a o matua, o le ulu matua, o matua. E pu sa u moni mau, na isala le ngana, na fai teo ina ai lea sautala. My name is Fatmoana Samata Rock Falepau. I'm the firstborn of my parents, Tongia, Tonwasama Naya Sepoloni Falepau, a four, and Leitwale Sa Falepau. I was born in Samoa, Wafato, on the 7th of March, 1980. I'm the oldest grandchild of Falepau Foa and our Mau Ai Foa Foa, as well as Vaipua Tuiavi'i and our Mau Tuiavi'i. Sepoloni, my dad, had 9 kids. Dad and I had a unique relationship. We shared some common interests, like playing pool table or snooker. We both support the All Blacks, and we were pretty good at playing kirikiki, Samoan cricket. Our family grew up in the Hard Knocks neighbourhood of Mangere in Auckland, New Zealand. Life was very colourful and interesting back then. I remember Dad was good with his hands and very resourceful. I'm guessing this is because Dad had to grow up fast, because he lost his father at the age of 12 and his mother at the age of 24, just before we left Samoa for New Zealand. My dad's favourite phrase growing up was whaalongo mausitai, which translates to listen and obey. Those days in New Zealand, my dad showed us a lot of tough love. There were countless numbers of hidings and beatings, which hurt at the time, but it doesn't compare to the pain I feel today. I wish you were still here with us so you could help me and my wife with our gardening and landscaping. I wish you were still here with us so you could see my daughters grow up and become the amazing Cambodian representatives for our family, because they're half Cambodian and half Samoan. I wish you were still here with us so you could teach me more about the Ngangana Samoa and the Wha Samoa ways. Dad would say to me, Toanga, e aole Wha Samoa lo whanau, ma aole te talo, which basically meant teach your kids our Samoan ways and how to pray. Dad loved my family. I just wish I could have said and done the things that I planned in my head, like taking you fishing, getting you to try some Cambodian food, going to the beach like we used to when I was young, or even just simply talking to you and getting to know you a bit better. My dad wasn't perfect, but who is? I believe Dad tried his best to be a man we could be proud of, a man of integrity, fairness, family-focused, God-fearing, and most of all, generous with his time, especially for his family and friends who needed his help. Unfortunately, Dad's light went out too soon. Now, as I also have become a father, a husband, a provider for my own family, Dad's example of adding salt in our lives so that our relationships with people become more flavorful and that the things that matter the most are well preserved, especially God and family. Because Dad believed if we put God first, then family, life, and everything else will fall into place. Dad, I'm going to miss your voice, your laugh, your smile, your hugs, your pure heart of gold. But most of all, the fact that there is only one Sepuloni Falepau, because God truly broke the mold after he made you. Dad, before you left us, you had made so many positive changes in your own life and in ours. You made a conscious effort to walk with God. So I will leave you all with a passage from the Bible. 1 Thessalonians 4, verse 13. Paul explains the death of a believer, that we should not grieve the death of fellow believers in the same way as unbelievers grieve the loss of their friends and loved ones. As believers, we have a firm hope of life beyond the grave. Death is only seen as a temporary separation rather than a permanent loss. We will be reunited and see our loved ones again in his kingdom. Dad, I love you. I'll miss you. Emmanuel Malanga.
O te whātulou le paia o le sauninga. Le tai o le sauninga. Lau sasunga e tue ina ko lia, fiu ko lia, malo au vaa. Whaapea le nofo e whaafia ngainga. Ai maise le salafa o tūlanga whaalupe. O le matanga luenga. Ma le pūlenga sini sae. Ma o tau whale tua. Tulou fo i le paia o ainga na lua. I tū te tele, mai tū taulangi. Le kale sia e whakasai kempo tau. O wō mai e masani. Ua mawhai o na moli mawina. Le aso fia o si o toa lua. Le susunga i le awa ofisua soani o tongia tanu wasa maanaya Sepuloni Falepau a foa. O le tamā o lau whanau. E le tau moli mawina si o tu o lua. E, ua maali li utoa, ua maa o mawai au penga o le taua. O au, o le tu wala saa tu i avii Falepau. O si o tu o lua, e whailo na pitatonga, e pei o na tau tanga i mai ai. O te whaafetai i le atua. I awa noa sa mātou mafutai malo uto o lua. Le tamā o si au whanau. Whaafetai i lona sao tāua. I to tonu o lo mātou ainga. I lona tofi o se tamā i se whanau. Ma whanau o lana whanau. Ai maise o se to o lua i a te au. Ua nuti le kate. Ua ngoto fo ini langona ili ele.
Awa ele whaingofie lava I tu aso whapene. Ona whai ai se moli mau, mo oe lau pele. O le a o whao ngā ina, le suafa sa tā māsani ai le amatanga o le tā maftanga. O se puloni whale pau, o na tua o a ai fōwā, le tina, mai vai lele, manga au tā vai. Ma whale pau a fualo na tamā, mai lalo maa lava, mo taa masale I mua. O ia elo na tolu le whanau e to ono, e to tolu na tua whawhine, ai to o lua o na usu. Sa soifua mai ile aso lua sfutasi o apelila, a feiva se lauli mabalu. O whaamana waina ele atua na au, ile aso se fulu tasi o se tema, lua afe lua sfulu maletasi. Ua ono sfulu tolu o na tausanga, wha maasina, maaso e lua sfulu tasi. Sa o atu lau to alua I lo ainga, ile aso lua sfulu whao te sema, a feiva se lau walu se fulu. Sa tu whatasia I maa ua, e ala I le whaipoiponga, ile aso lua o me, a feiva se lau walu tasi. Ile e whakasa I ua whato whangaloa, ele susunga I le toia ina o maene, ma le whaletua I a pouwiva, o le toia ina o le pūlenga whangaloa. Ua wha se fulu tausanga, walu maasina, maaso e lua se fulu lua, talu o na mamafuta masi o to lua pele. O na alo e to aiva, e wha teine a e lima tama. O na alo sali liu mai wha le tū la fono, e to atasi, susunga I le wha le tua I a mara se maia. O whanau alana whanau e to aiva, e se fulu maletasi. O le au whai o e na tupunga mai I a te ia, e lua se fulu. E to atele nisi o maa inga, ua inu I whaamanuianga I New Zealand ma au se talia nei, I ngalu e ngā lofa lo to alua. O le lua afe ma le tolu, sa wha suafa I nai e lona ainga tinai vai lele. I le suafa tongia. O le lua afe ma le iwa, sa wha suafa I nai e lona ainga tamai lalo malava, I le suafa tanuvasa maanaia. O le afe iwa se lau iwa, sa su e ai le suenga awa ofeso soani. O le lua afe lua se fulu, sa ato ai le lua se fulu tausanga, talo na avea si o to lua, ma awa ofeso soani le e whakasa Campo Town. O se tangata e le whamama alua ni ona tofi, tu lou suafa, tu lou le awa ofeso soani. E ilo lava I taimi o whalavilave, e tu le mukuka e siaki po o mana o mia se fesoasoani ai po le lei mea uma e whaafia tangata ia vave ai o na uma se whaamoemoe e tele moli mau I o na winga sa moli mau wina I le aso ana nafi ma le nei fo I aso a ole sili o na mea uma o lona whaamaoni I lona vala a wina wha o ha officer soani. O lana tatalo male launga. O te levi vi ia nei whao le vi inga o le atua. Sa whai mau o sei e vanga. Sa o maluai I lo o langa whatina. Sa o tiwai le ngā ruenga le atua. O lo to lua e tasi ai afe. E se a maua se isi whaapea I te tono a ina. Po e kalesia. O lo to lua o se whaamanu yanga. I lo o ainga, o lona ainga, o le mawhanau, ma le kalesia. Ai tali tonu. E le asa se whaiva ma se mau mau. O taime o tau suanga, e tali tonu, sa so poa I le ngangana lo to lua. Sa pa o papa sa na tautua I to tonu a inga, le e kalesia, susunga I to e ina whapea whawhenga ina. A whai o ani lape si o to lua le maftanga. Ia maa ngalo I lo walofa whaitama. O si o to lua, ua lewa o na whengai ma le mai. E le I mana o foi, e whai loa mai a tia o ma le whanau. Ua leva o na sauni e whei loa I atu I lo nā li I whaola. Po le a lava le taimi e whaamana vai nai ana whiau. Se puloni whale pausi o te olua pele. E ui sa o tangitui, o te lei sa uni ta te vala vala leoti. O te lei talitonu foi o lo taimi le nei. Ai sa wia o le pele. Ia manuia lau malanga. Alo whaanga e le uma mo oe, mai a te au lo te olua. E, ua maali liu toa, ua maa umaua i au penga o le tau. Manuia le tapo inga, ono o Yesu, amen.
Aftai mo le mau. O le awhai whafonga mai a sunga i whawhia ngainga. Peo na iri tātou pulkalame. Ia. Tātou tāsanga le sunga i le whawhia ngainga i asu meu le ota. Ia mai amaso mai male. Mare tātou kāunga, sunga whau ena, ia la ale usuina le tātou pese se lau lua lima. O no le tātou teimi, o uti uti. O whaponga maisu meo pe au teimi ua. Wa mai aloana, sāno mai lea, ia so mai ma whau ena. Ia anu whai atu alolo, sau tala mura muri. Ia usula tātou pese mure muri malau le lima tasi whai waipe a.
Wa tātou tālu sanga, tālu whaftai, whatoi senga. Tui nā tō tātou manao i le atu. Tātou ifo ma te tālu i le atu. Le atua tō tasi pa i ae, le atua le tamā, le alo ma le anganga sā. Le atua silisili ese, pa ia mamalu lau a fiu. Wa o lau a fiu e meile vavau e o atu i le wha vavau. O le atua o le alofa, ma le alofa muti vale o malava lau a fiu. Le alofa lava lea, o mato wala whai manui ai, mala malama o le nei tai au fō. Ma ua langona i pēa, e wha whananga sili mai lawa whiu. Leo wa mātou, mawai le loto tele i aso whapene. Le aso o toi sauninga o te mā, i ato ngia, Sepuloni, Whalepau. Se yo mātou wha mā vai atu ai, le tino maliu, o lau au nā o au. Whawhetai le atua, walo maua pea, le malosi o le mātou ta mātou ina. Manu ia foi lau whainga aluenga to tofi al pūlenga. Whawhea ngainga, mei so se whata whai taulanga. Wao, ti a konu, e ka le sia. Wō ma inga e maise, o le tina ia sā, le a inga ma le whānau. Ui lava, no mātou langona ina, le loto whānau no. Ai a mātou whāwhitai i lawa whiolo mātou tamā. No tele o tāleni maanga whaana e whoai. Ai maisolo na soifua au na mō lawa whio. Ma le tele o ana ngā luenga le lei, i taimi au soifua mai. Whaamanu ina lo suafa. No lo wāmane ia. Ma le whaunga ina rona soifua vai ma le whatau wā. I tiu te mawhaiva, tofi, sa ngā lulue, tonu a inga, o nu ai maise, o lau e ka le sia. Pāwhtai mo le māwhtanga, ma le taimi sa mātou māwhuta ai ma lau au auna. Le ngātai to tonu lo mātou pūlenga, mtanga luenga, au to tonu foi o a inga. Whawhetai ta mā, pāwhtai mo wā fionga pa ia. O whailea mata i ala,
o mātou nei ola vai vai. E awa o mai, ma whasino mai ala tonu, e te tau o na mātou sāwa wari ai. Mi ia lau a whio, o no le ngā luenga mana o lo ngā pa ia. Lo mātou wheso soani sili, i tu waso pongi sā. Ma te au mai ale wha mawhana whananga sili. I taimi i tu tupu ai, whanono anga, i lo mātou nei ola. Ai siri lo mātou nganga whawhetai. Ono lo soi fua ke riso. Lo na toto no whamalingi ina i lungo le sātau. O whama ngalo ina ai le lalo langi anga sāpa. Lo na maliu malona toi tū maanu maa lo mai le oti ma le tūnga mau. O sui ai le ato le oti. Whai matai ao le oli oli. Mo le au kerisiano. Pe a whai e moni o le mātou whātua tuanga i ate. Mea tū mau atu i lau a whio. Le vi inga nei māsa uma. Se i au i le whāwa vaula. Le atu ami o tonu oi. Lau a whio e tonu msawa o whamasi nonga o malawa. Ue alofa ina foi tangata. Ile alofa e sili o na ato atoa. Ai pa ngā lea lo mātou tamā. O le tutusa lava lo mātou tali atu. I le alofa mai o lau a whio. Mātou whato ese. No wole ese mātou whaatinonga wa ato atoa i luma o lau a whio. Mātou te whato ese i lau a whio. Molo mātou nei tamā. A wā mātou te tali tonu, ele asa lava tangata, mani sese, mani whaale tonu. Mātou te talo le ari. Le ase au au nanga, se tau tua lau au na nei, o le au i lau sila sila. Vai tu tonu a inga o nuu, le ka le sia ai maisi, ma lau a whio. Ia lofa tamā, whaamanga. O ani whale tonu mani se se ap tamā. E we totu pa ia o ke riso. Whaamanga loe. Le atua whaafonga te tālo. E we lava ele. Telo a mātou se se ma whale tonu. Ai mātou te tali tonu au no malawa whio. Mātou te le ma whaia lava o se metasi. Mātou te tālo le atua ai. Mo a whamaluianga i lungo i mātou mani. Ai maise, tina i asa. Le whanau ma le ai. Mo pēa le loto tele. Ma le mawhana mai lawa whio. Tumina pēa lawa whio le ola ma le maalosi o le tino. Le mawhau ma le angana. Whamanuia le mātou taitai ta mātou ino. Le au whainga aluenga. O whaafea ngainga o e ka le sia e fi. Wao ti a konu. Wo maa inga. Se ia o lava na i o mātou whana. Whamanuia ina ia inga mo wo. Iso se i tūle nei lalo langi. O le me whai ona. Awai mai ona o mafu anga wa e sila fi. Mātou te tālo. Molo mātou te mane. Lau auna ao ia tongia, sepuloni whalepau. Ia maua se no foanga tū mau, i lo malo e whawawau. Fuafuanga uma o le nei tae au, ma le nei asu, toi sao ningo. Ia tau tau lua ina i mātou e lawa fiu, e manui ai mea uma mātou te whai. Se temi fo i mātou whalongo longo i lau whetalai maita maa. Launga lawa whio i lo mātou nei whatau wā. Nei e sanga wha maa whana ina pēr i mātou. I o wa whionga pa i. Wa mātou te tālo i e tama. Whatase ai ma te tālo leo i loto tangata lava i. Mātou te ofo ina atu i lawa whio. Nei e whaia pe ia i lo lava whina ngalo. Ai au sa mātou loto. Tālo ma leo lenga lea.
Wala atu le suafa pa o Yesu Keriso, lo mātou alii, ma le whaola. Amen.
Ma le launga i le suafa po malu o le tua le tamā, le alo ma le angan pa ia. Amen. Wa whamaina le whaiupo e fitu, o le tusi o whailaunga o lona mataupo e sifuru ma le lua. Pei ona whaitawina mai le whengainga tuai e whai mo matua. A whafonga o te toe whaitawina. Toe fwoi atu le efu i le ele pei ona iai ia. Toe fwoi atu le anganga i le tua. Le fwoina mai ai. O le manatu au tu o le launga mo i tātou i le nei tai au e whapea. Manatua o i tātou o le FUF. Manatua o i tātou o le FUF. Alangia maota maufitia malai le au pōngi sā. Ona o le malanga le maliu maleoti. O le fesili e mua o na fesili ai le totele. E nu whape whea o na maliu le au. O le a le mafua. I tai o le fesili e te tau o le tātou fesili ai. E nu whape whea o na soifua le au. Wafoi lo tātou taitonunga pa kerisiano. O lo tātou wola ina o le soifuanga i le lalolangi nei. O lo ta oto ai lo tātou whamoe moe, tuatu o le oto. O manino le tala i le fofoina i le tua. O le tangata i le amatanga. Pei o na moli mau le tusi o kinesi. O na whaia lea i le tua o le tangata i le fuefu o le ele. O manawa i ona po ngā isu o le manawa ola. Na vea i leo le tangata o na tangata ola. O lona wina. E soifua le tangata i le larolangi. Ua ia i loa le mea na whai ai o ia i le tua o le koe. Ma ua ta oto foi au siala o lona i unga pe a uma lona soifua. Toi foi le fuefu i le ele. Ai foi le nganga i le tua. E pei ona tautino le whailaunga. Le whaiupu wa bea ma tātou matua. Toi foi atu le FUF i le ele pei ona iaia. Toi foi atu le anganga i le tua. O le na foina mai ai. E uila ina va mamao le taimi o kenese. Ma le tusi o whailaunga peitai. O lo tutusa le la mori mau i le unga o le tangata. E a uma lona soifua. Toi foi le FUF i le ele. Ai foi le nganga i le tua o le mea na sawai o ia. Tusi o whailaunga e te tonu le au su e le whenginga tuai. O mawhauwhaunga o le tupu o Solomona i na ua pula la ngoto le la o lona soifu. O ia wha manatu ai le tāua o le ola matau i le tua. Ma le ana i na polo inga a o maua le malosi o le tina. O le i wha maluina le mai a rio. Pe tae le ipu au. Pe nuti le kate i le waipuna. Ma ngausia le mea taabili le vai eli. Pe ona tā ua i le whaiupu e ono. O lo tala noa Solomona i le ngā solonga o le soifua o le tangata. Au le io mai le matua. Au le io mai le oti. Mai a rio o lo tala noa iai le whailaunga. Sa whaonga ina e tau ai le ipu auro. E iai te tonu le la mepa malona suau. E wha mala maina le whale atoa. Ai ao o ina motu sia. Pa ule la mepa e tae le ipu auro ma masaa le suau. Ma pongi sa ai le whale atoa. A le kate sa whaonga ina e asu ina e ai le vai mai le vai eni. E ngau sia i le o mea. E no noa i le mea tawili. Ai angau sia le mea tawili. O na whitaia i leo le kate ma au tafa o le vai eli. Ua nuti li. Ua le mawhai ai o na ave ifo i lunga o le vai. O le malama ma le mai. O ata whaatusa ia o le ola o le tangata. Ai o le ata whaatusa o le tua. O le tua o le malama i sa vali ai le tangata whaatu tua. I taimi pong I sa ma fai na ta o le soifua. O le vai malia ai le ngā lala o le tangata whatutua. Maua e pēr lona malosi au auna I le tua malona pinangau. O lo whatitau ma whauwhonga o le whailaunga. I le ngā solonga o le soifua o le tangata. Ina ia mana tua o le tangata e iai le taimi e oti ai. Mai te tau ai le tangata o na ola matau I le tua ma savali o na ala. Au maua lona malosi. Ia mana tua e le tangata o ia o le fuefu. O le upu e fuefu o lo whaliliwina mai le ngangana e Peru. O le isi o na whaawinga ina. O le maasiasi ma le whaadamaina. O le mea ai o le ngata seitu lo. Ai o tautala I le nā tūro o le soifuanga o le tangata. E pa u pera I le amisawa. Ai o le iloa I le tangata o ia o le fuefu. O lona malama lama fo I lea I le mana umia o le atua I lona o lama. Se ata fo I lea o au mai e ke riso. I le maliu o la salo e peo na iai le tusi sa paitauina mai le pengai fo. Lea na fetala iai Yesu ia mareta. Wa unei o le toitu ma le ola. O le whātua mai ia te au, e ui lawa ina oti. Ai ola lawa oi. Tasi leo wha mafa I ane. O le tusi o whaalima. O lo whailoa mai iai I ane. O Yesu o ia lawa o le atua li tino tangata. O Yesu o le ola. O le oti e ola pea ia I le langi fau. I le Jerusalem fau. E a whai e tu mau I le whātua. Ma whaia le fina ngalo o le atua. O le fina ngalo mau tutu lea o Yesu. Ua solo iai le manatu sa iai le whengai na tuai. Na whailonga fisiri ai le oti. E toi tu mai. I tai o lea ua whetalai manino o le li whaola. E peo na tau tino Ioane. O le whamoe moe o le tangata whatua tua o ia keriso. E ui na oti o ia I le tino. Ai ola pea lava o ia. Lau sunga I le fretua, sa whapea le nofo alo. Le paia ia inga na lua. Lau sunga I le tamato ina. E ka le sia mamalu I Campo Town. Le mamalu o le pulenga ma le matanga luenga. A pea uo ma a inga I le neitai au. O lea foi se fe au pa mawhanawhana mo tatou. Manatua o tatou o le fuefu. Ua tō mata manga I le atua le ngā solonga o lo tātou soifuanga. O le taimi e whanau ai, o le taimi e oti ai. Mai te tau ai ia I tātou. O na whao ngā te tau o tātou wola mo le atua ma lona pinalo. O le whisili e maasani ai I tu aso whapenei. E na whape whea o na maliu lana au auna. O le a le mafuanga. I tai o le whisili e te tau o na tātou whisili ai. E na whape whea o na soifua lana au. O se sunga I lau a ofiso soani I ato ia. O se au auna e tau safia o na ui. O lana ata e tō sina iai le loto. Mai whaingo fia e fōi na whamasani. E luani anga wa ata ua. Sa au mai tau ina I le maa whasoa ina ma le susunga I ato ia. Ina ua susu mai le whilaunga inga wa ofiso soani le tau sanga o mai. Ua mua. O se au auna ngalue malosi. A wale atina ina o lona aina. Samoa mo New Zealand mo Australia. I le saili malo. Ia manuia lana whanau malona aina. E usu I le tai au e whainga luenga I le whale moa se tu hou. Ai o le afi le tonga moli. Lua. O se au auna whamaoni ma le whatua tua I le tua. Sa ia tau tua ai le tua I lana ngā luenga. E ala I lona to whinga a oa o piso swani. Au whatinonga le au auna ua matau ma ana I le tua. Whao ngā ina lona malosi mo le tua. Sa whao ngā lona ola I tau tua ai le tua. Pea le nuu ma lona aina. Lea ua mapu atu I a ao le tua lona nganga. O lona tino e toi foi le fuefu o le. Se wha manatu foi lea mo tātou. Au tātou iai le nei soifuanga. Manatua o tātou o le fuefu. E tātou te whaunga te tau ai aso to toi o lo tātou wola. Mō le tua malona whina ngalo. E tātou te sāwa wali ai o nā ala ma le whātou tua. E tātou te iloa ai. O tātou lava o tangata na sama. O tātou o ta lava o tangata e mana o mia le salamo moni. O lo tātou furi tua i le sala. Ai toi fo i atu i le tua ma le whātou tua. And the dust returns to earth as it was, and the breath returns to God who gave it. Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verse 7. Theme for our meditation this morning, remember that we are dust. The creation story in the Old Testament teaches us that God is the source of all life, and that God breathed the breath of life into man's nostrils, thus making him a living being. Therefore, we can say that God's breath of life is the source of all living things. And with this Old Testament perspective in mind, it stands to reason that death is the same process in reverse. For when a person dies, the breath of life goes back to God, and the body would return to dust from which it came. Therefore, we can say that the underlying message in our main passage this morning is the need to remember God in the prime of our life. King Solomon, in his old age, stresses the importance of living a meaningful life, a life of service to others, a life of service to family, and most importantly, a life of service to God whilst we have the opportunity. For according to King Solomon, all of life is a vapor, a mist, vanity, here today and gone tomorrow. But when we get old and as our life draws to a close, we will start to forget things. Therefore, King Solomon encourages us to give our best years to God whilst we are physically, mentally, and spiritually strong. Our New Testament reading speaks of hope after death. And although our bodies will return to dust, John reminds us that Christ is the resurrection. And whoever believes in him will receive eternal life. I am the resurrection and life. He who believes in me, though he may die, he shall live. Often when we hear news of a loved one passing, the first question that comes to mind is, how did he or she die? However, the question that we need to be asking is, how did he or she live? It is important for us as people of faith, for how we live our life determines our destination when we die. So Mia Filipau and his lovely wife came to Griffiths for the Whilaunga Inga of Soaswani in October 2020. 3 important characteristics that I picked out from our conversation. Firstly, he was a happy person with a warm and welcoming smile. Secondly, he was a hardworking man who worked hard to provide the best for his family, his wife and his children, seeking opportunities for a better future from Samoa to New Zealand to Australia. He shared with me how he worked 2 jobs whilst living in Griffiths, working morning shifts at the chicken factory and picking oranges in the evening. Lastly, Tomia Filipau was a man of faith who served the Lord through his calling as our A'o Te Soaswani, a calling he held for many years, right up to the time his Creator called him home. And although his body goes back to dust, his soul and spirit has gone to be with his Father in heaven, from which it came. O Yesu Keriso, na ia manu malo ina le oti ma le tuku mau. O lona maliuti ngā i le sataro, ma lona toi soifua manu malo mai, o whailea ma wha moe moe ola o le tangata whatutua. E uina oti lona tino ma toi fo iatu i le ele ele, ai ola pea lona nganga whatasi ma Keriso i le ola whawawau. O lona maliu ma lona toi tu manu malo, o mangalo ai a tātou o salau. O mawai lo tātou wa vanoa tātou te sauwhanga ai i le ola e whawawau. A whai tātou te salamo moni ma whatua tua i ona sua. E tu mau i le tua poto lo na mihinga se i o i whawawau. Tafi mala le tua i whainga malanga, lau sunga le awa o so swani, to mia whalpau. Ono Yesu. Amen.
Ia, ulu matafo laule, finangalo le atua e pe ona. Sa noa le whainga luenga ma moli mau mai. O le chitalo lea. Mna to le afa pupu fwe la moli mau. Ia, o le soifo tongia. Ia umar malama umai ya tato. Ia la vai o ai la whainga luenga pulenga, o mitanga luenga ma. Langa o lewa na ngalue, lewa na ngalue. Ia, a o masani fo ia winga o tongia. Leo tato whafonga whalongolongo umai ai, leo saunua sa ma le whala. Ia o winga ai o tongia e masani ai. A o le o le taimina o rua i peirua i ai matungia masa miso sifana o le awhai se lau i wasifuru ma le malu le asifuru ma le whao masina iuni na matu lolotu ai a o le ona pai o la to fiti a kono i le aso asifuru ma le iwa o te se ma le tau sangalama lea awhai se lau i wasifuru ma le malu e pe on sa no sa o le o sangalen su ai le o so swan wa fe ma ve lo ia ma la o ma o so swan le o luas fu nei tau sanga ma masina i va nga we na o to fide o tongia o le masa fa ya nga sa o tongia e mali ne fo o le tai tai le mo tai tai o le to lo o le ngalue a tongia ia e sa o mamoli mau ia to ki fa fong tanto fa long ai le o le sia me lo ki fi ate na tongia o tanga te e fi te le tapo in fi te le lo to anga i lo anga te le lo o la wa masa ya sa uma na ma to la pa e ma tu tapo in sa uma o me le lo ai le tanga te sa unia ta pena ele o tino a o samia fale nga fia wi ya o fia te le o ba tanga so lo pa na lo tanga so ta fa ya ai no isi o winga ta o ni o nem ta o sai mele se lo fia tungi se sa ni o na fa ngalo e tu sampe to lu asu petas au fa ta tongi sa mai me lo fa la be ai so fitalo le ma fai mai le ai in fai tani mai le ai e fia e tali al fia ata ma fai mai ya o me ia o tangata e lau le le vala wina ma fa ngai no ia o me le ta wa me pisina ta wa tangata le fa ngai ele se le ia yo tongia ele fai na a on fa tu tapena tu tapena sang ni le ele fa pe mo foi ao ti foi xa o mai fa li tapena le ele sang a tongia so stai me fa tu sang ni me ta wa e tau ta wa tu mai lo am ta to mal mai o a on sta lu tongia bringal ta lo via si le me se lo fia ti tongia Otai, fi talo al man dai yo lan talo. Me tanga to anga ta. Ia e lo tanga ta. E to anga ta. Ma tanga to lai fai lo. Ma tanga ta ma fu te le tu. E ta wa ia. E lo mai pu lenga ma tanga lo ngia. O le o pe siria le na le val mat o pu lenga. E o tongia masa. Ia. E o ai me pulenga e fia e alwe a wai to finga o loku me umala ma le pulenga o le mtanga luenga fia na vai ai e nei a wai o se o le tua nga o le leidea ne o le mana o mia e le pe fuori toki le onisi e se ava inga me fai pulenga ma le mtanga luenga ia ua so al tau sanga luo tau sanga tenei na be ai mau fono fontere ia le ana le o a fai fon fa fose ia to fo tau sanga nei I fong tele le sa fai sum. Na tungi o le fo wai tau sifon. Ia fa mai ia lo fo te tau sifon fo tau sanga fo. Tau sanga fo. Ia. O le ane me fai wau tātou e. Wa e le sia o mātou ia e komiti e alwa i e pono kom. Nā le se si ātou e sau fai tātou lo sifono lea. E mo tino fo tau sifono. Ia le o le sifono le walo sifono le lang. O tongi e. O se tangata e. E se foi au no winga. E lo o mai mala wae. O tongi e whaaturo le memna o tongi e na te. E tau la mua. Na e tau la mua. Wai fia le sivinga me le lau tongi e fia te le whai atu o ia tai ia le bere o ia le whai le mea lea. Fia whai mea fia. O le mea lea e. Ia. Ai. O isi foi taimi. O pea o na maua e. E sama. E le whapea foi. E foi vai bai ngore au. E o tātou e. E le asale whai wama se maa. Ma o tongia e alua isi taimi. Ia, are fia. Tia le wai tua le sau le sia. Ai sawa tala noe lan teine lo so turi. Ma sawa fea so turi. Wala masane ia. O ma fia. O ma le tau tātama. Ia o le whatau e ta. O ma le tau tātama. Ia, awai sawa e umai. Te sawa tātamai. Ia, le minga ona e vame ia le tau. Pa o le vai vangalo tongia e ita wawe tere i si taimi. Ia le tangata e whautua ina. Wa ai taro o ke ingia. Ia mo te whautua ia, mo te fia foi. A o le winga o tongia, a o lona nau e ita, nau se mea le lehi. O le mea tāua lea, o le ita le lehi na. Ia ai le pe o ita isi e ita whawari walea. Ai au te fia i le mea o ngā foi e whai mo whautua mo manisi. O le foi e se foi na lepa pe au no tau a le foi was sili le tau le tau tai o pena le winga o lana ngalue fia ma o si tangata e te ilo le ia pe o me fai mai tamai timasa tangata e sili e sili whamau popo mea ia e whamau popo a inga foi. Ia, ai o winga i o tongia e se whangaronga tā. Au whanua noa la waina ua tau mai o ngase. Ia au leo te leo, lea wālwe le whirua i o no tūrango i e whamai monsa. Ia ui lea, o ta whia mori mau umi. Ai mori mau lea kua i le soifua rana au auna. Ia wāre tangata ua. O malia le au na. Mafitai tongia mo le tātou mafitanga o iai tātou le mafuta ma whaeroa i o toi taimi. Ia ai sau e ai. I leo se no toses. I leo se finanga lo sama ta maiti. I leo se roto foi o au male au lotu. Ia muse o nai o lua ainga. Ia o le mea o finanga lo i le tua. Tātou e whai me whalongolonga nang tātou o mai a le rolangi nei. Ai uma tātou toi fo i pe ia le tala le whewheau. E uma toi fo i le. Toi fo i le fu. Pa wana mea lo tele sā. Tātou onu sa e. Mai e tātou malama. A o ti ale tangata. Pifo no whai e tu tātou. Whai ngā lotu li waweau. Le ngā leo la lo langi le tātou te e. Tātou te o mai e whai whata mi sanga. E o mai toi o, ai a o ki rore tangata e o ki le malamalama. E o le o ki le anga lea. Piu Iesu e tau wha malamalama i ono so i teimi sa i eire. Nā whāti ai mua ngutu di tai ma lafo pe au le. I na ua whaina le waa. Le a whai mai, oi o le a e tō wha le a o ti mātua, le a whanu. E se ale mea lai. No fefe o ki le fefe Iesu. Le ngai lua o ki le au so mo la o ki tino le o ki wa foi o Samuel fai longo o le tonga mau ele Elia ai mangotoro ia e pete malemu i wa mau e o le o ki le o lai ia e fe o ki ai ma le o ki le anga le o ki ai le o ki le au so le o ki fale anga mo tianga le o ki le mo le fia e Yesu o fiu le mea o ai de se me ma po foi o le me le fia Yesu o le va le famtalinga le po e peru le falo le atua the house of God the boat ia o fai o le to fai le atua ia o mea ia o le tupu e tātou te mo tātou waso tinga anu tātou o mele atua ai lai mo tātou le mea le popole tātou tātou te leo malama po whea mele o i wari te ro tātou po poto e whiola ia ai au in whiote o mtua vale lea e whiote o isi i roa ola ai le i roa oti whala me la mele na whapena mele mo wele au so ai mai le mele whai Yesu le fitangi sia tu whiola le oti le ritino ia ai whaola Yesu i le ngato le ola ritino ai toi whaola maanganga fa moe na le fa tanga le tua ma fa moe kiriso e mariu to tu ya mai ai ka to le ola ma sanga ma wati e da ma le ola fa mala mai le tua ta to fa o mala ta to tu lunga usul pese di matas ia ma to i role sao tongi tu ta to o le anga i tu tu ta to i fa fo di matas il pese mala ta to pese ai de pese po a toi tu mai Yesu o amaro i le tunga mau e le toi ma liuia o amole mau ai i la Jong Ava ai o ia ua soi Veloa ia ua fio i lunga e sao ni mo i tātou le malulunga e le malo e tumau ua mo ila jong na va ai o ia ua soi fua mai ma e no tu tadi tono nei le tala ua ma sulu fa ia Yesu ia olai i tatu ua moli maua i la tuina jo vavai o ia ua soi ua mai ma feloa i tatu tano awa mai pia mo i matou na ia matou i loa matou malama ma ia matou ola mautinoa i le o le mutaanga lea o le oti ai e whaeloa atiri pia i loto ma mawhau maanganga e mapu antulawa i ua au le li to e tuol o e lava e soifua e whaavava matou sauni atu e moli lona tino i ona oli sanga tūma lian tuai ia e tāpena ma sauni e pia i matou ne ia matou i lona whai mea umai vi ai lo suafa o la matou wala o le maleolenga ala ia Yesu la matou ari ma le whaola amen ia tātou whai ui la
praying you just walk back through that door and tell me that I was only dreaming. You're not really gone as long as I believe. There will be another angel around the throne tonight. Love lives on inside of me, and I will hold on tight. It's not my place to question, only God knows why. I'm just jealous of the angels around the throne tonight. Always made my troubles feel so small, and you were always there to catch me when I'd fall. In a world where heroes come and go, well, God just took the only one I know. So I'll hold you as close as I can, longing for the day when I see your face again. But until then, God must need another angel around the throne tonight.
Thank you, Paula.
Your love lives on inside of me, and I will hold on tight. It's not my place to question, only God knows why. I'm just jealous of the angel around the throne tonight. I'm just jealous of the angels around the throne Didn't know today would be your last. That I'd have to say goodbye to you.
So all the rest, if you guys could take them.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
so alone I can't feel anymore. I'm praying you just walk back through that door and tell
sweet is the heavens. Leave all of your cares behind. How sweet is the heavens. There'll be no more tears to cry. There'll be no more tears to cry. O mafuta nane elele, le fia fia o fai mala e. O aiga e o ile tala lelei. E ai o aso eleanga e tiga o mai o anganga ma o fu uma
say goodbye to what we had. The good times that made us laugh outweigh the bad. I thought he had to see forever. Forever's gone away. Yeah, it's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memory to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why he had to go, I don't know. He wouldn't say. I said something's wrong. Now I long for
Spend all your time waiting.
Tātou whāua pēr. Tāpua inga I rea tua. Na fōa ina mai e lea li. Ua awe se ina fōa e lea li. Ia whāmanu ina le suafa o lea li. Le o tie, o whea o iai lau manu malo. Le o tie, o whea o iai lau tui. Awa e te whewhe, o au le mua mua ma le muri muri. O le ola nei lava, sa o woti. Whau ta foi, o te ola e whaababau lava. O ia te au foi ki o le oti, ma se oli. We'll lower down, please. Lower down.
Going now?
Yes, please. Yeah, lower it down, please.
Thank you.
Dad. All your time waiting for a second chance, for a break I will never get over.
Bye, Dad. I love you. Dad.
Wow, no le pule tonu o le atua. Lona alo patuna na te le wawe na vai a te ia le anganga o lau au hauna. E tamā o le au au so soan. O le au tātou tui nā tuai lona tino i le tūnga mau. O le ele. O le fulefu le fulefu. Ma le fuefu i le fuefu. Tātou te tari tonu ma le matua whamo e moe le toe tū le ola whawawau. O noro tātou ali o Iesu ke riso. O lena te li ua tātou nei tino o le anga. Ina ia whaia e whātatau i lona tino mātango pie. E kusa ma le mana na te mawhaia o na whātoi lalo i nai. o mea uma I a te ia lava. E ke risoe, o oe o le tupu mamalu, o oe o le alo e whamamau o le tamā, na e manu malo I le tinga o le oti, o na whamanoina lea o oe o le malo le langi mo tangata whatuatua o malawa. Amuia e woti, o e woti o le ri, e amata I nei ona po. O le lava, ua whetalai mai ai le nganga. Nei alatou malo loi, alatou ngā luenga ti ngā. Ua foi o latou ngā luenga e muri muri a te latou. Wana au au na foi latou te au au na ia te ia. Latou te baba ia tu foi o na fufonga. E iai foi o latou mua ulu lo na suafa. O le a tatou pese, I le pese whamawai a le au keisiana. Tātou ki tālo. Le atua siri e se. O le maliu o lo walo pelo Yesu ke riso na whato I lalo ina I le oti. Malona malo longa I le ori sanga na whapai e na I tunga mau o tangata paia. Malona to e tu ma malu. Wa umai ai le ola ma le ola atali le malama. Ma tau te ole atu. Ia e talia mai la mātou whawhitai le lava o no le nā manu malo le oti ma le tunga mau. Na ia saunia mo I mātou mai rātou uma o e wa mo moe lo na suafa. Ia e tau fia I mātou le mawhitanga whawabau. Whatasi mai rātou uma o e lo si o mia la ua fio I le langi. Ina ia whatasi ai mātou mai ia o le toe tū ma le ola. O le o lo soi pua pea. Ma o lo pule au whatasi ma la ua fio. Ma le anganga paia. O le atua tō tasi e whawabau. E le aise ngā taanga. O le pile mu foi mai le atua o lo siri lava e mea umai manatu iai. E leo ina ai o tō loto atoa ma o tō mawhau. I le poto ma le alofa o le atua. Ma lo nalo Yesu ke riso lo tātou ali. I le male manuia o le atua le tamā ma le alo ma le anganga paia. Ia ia te o tō pea lava ia so uma e le au noa. Amene.
Ia whatasi pea Yesu ma o e tasi au te oela pele. Ia whatonu pea
Oh
kuka I konga le sa o le sangalala. Le poi ua e mangu lau whakamaswari. Le sa e whika kunga ia I koe sauinga. O le sunga I le ao ia sikolongi I wharekau a poa. Nga kore malo I le fionga ia kongia. O kamawasa mangaia. Le ua mapu aku I longa oli sanga kumau. Oli aku le nganga pakai. Ngi yaso. Rangi ai lo whakaua e whai maponga. Pa io ai ngalua. Ai mai se le wharekua I kuala sā man whangau. Ai mai se poe le sunga I le whapengangi a piki man wharekua I amala. Pa io ai ngalua. Mori aku le nganga whakai. Kuranga o koe sauinga. Le fionga I a kungia. Le awe e la inga, we e saukia. Unga kuranga o le ngaruenga mara singano le kua. Unga mako wana wakule le awa mara whāro alo kele. Le a kaku mapu aku ia I whananga. Pai ei mako I whaumai koe sauinga o tunga le a. I mo whai ese kako kala mo ngai aso. I lo wawa kele mo lo whāro alo e kawai.
Amaro parai, alukot. Unga ko le a kaku o ia te o le banganga. Kekele rawa mo au mo ku ko mo nei aso ta mo pa ngau e ba ko ko ai ala ka ko pa pe mo fai
ya dei aku pe do ida
ya ale dei pare mo ya sa ya
At the end of the day, need some distraction. Oh, the dog's down. Memories seep from my bed. Let me be empty. The wages and maybe I'll find some peace tonight. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here.
Are we going to stand around this?
Dark, cold hotel room.
You see Sylvie's doing this? Just let go.
From the wreckage of your silent reverie, you're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort there's vultures and thieves at your back, and the storm keeps on twisting. You keep on building a life that you made up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference. Escaping one last time. It's easier to believe in the sweet madness, all this glorious sadness. It brings me to my knees in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this small cold hotel room and the emptiness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort. of the angel, may you find
Stay on that side. You want to go over there, you can. Right, a couple more over there, maybe on your way. Right. We've got the music. We just need them to turn it down a bit.
The volume. You turn it down. The volume. The minus button. Turn it down a bit. Put it down on one. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Down. Down. Yeah. All the way. Keep going. Yeah.
Beautiful, thank you. Family, friends, and loved ones. For many, many centuries, the pure white dove has been a symbol of love, hope, peace, and faith. And today, your loved one has 10 beautiful angels to guide his spirit to heaven and hand him to heaven's angels. Put any little thoughts, any little messages that you might like to send.
Love you, Dad.
I'll count to 3. You can let them go, okay? 1, 2, 3. Release your angels.
Memories seep from my veins. Let me be empty and weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent revelry. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort. So tired of this stray life, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back, and the storm keeps on twisting. You keep on building the lies that you made up for all that you lack. Don't make no difference. Escaping one last time. It's easier to believe in the sweet madness of this glorious sadness that brings me to my knees. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this small, cold hotel room, and the emptiness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent revelry. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort
Thank you, Russ. Thank you very much for your help. Yeah, I think so. All right, Russ, thanks very much. Appreciate the help. Thank you,
That's
ma'am.
okay. Thanks for having
Appreciate
me.
it. Thank you. It was beautiful.
One more little thing for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I share it every 4 months.
Yeah.
To another family member.
Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks, Russ. Thank
Bye.
you.
I got everything. Table.
We have to leave first, and then they're gonna come. He's gonna put the reef on. No. Is the reef on? They're gonna take a photo of the reefs. Just the plastic. Listen, if I see one, easier to take one. Oh, hey, can we all take a photo? Are we off the year? Just us, two other boys. Mal. Mal, when you finish, come, we'll take a photo. Leave it, Mal. Yeah. Mal. Leave it there, we'll come. Yeah, you get that. Mo's coming. Is Layla.
Layla! Run! Photo!
Layla.
Layla!
Quick! 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 McDonald's. Hannah. Hannah, come. Jump in.
Never thought I'd see the day that the Lord called you to be there by His side. I can't remember a day when you weren't around. You were always there. I still hear your voice in my head, hear you laughing, see you smiling in my mind. And
And if I had the chance again, I would tell you that I love you one last time. And yet I still can't believe that you're gone, that you're gone. Oh, we cry, we cry, oh, we cry, we cry. So many friends you left behind, so far and wide. And once you reach the heavens, I ask that you remain inside, be our angel watching from afar. I'm crying now, just wondering why you had to be the first to fly away. Oh, just understand we'll never let go. Your legacy will live forevermore. We cry. Wayo, wayo, wayo. Wayo, wayo, wayo. Oh, we love you and we miss you. Wayo, wayo, wayo. Wayo, wayo, wayo. Oh, we cry, cry, cry. Oh. Wayo, wayo, wayo. Wayo, wayo, wayo. Oh,